Conics method for frames with hinged column ends. Okay, there are some hinges. How to deal with that? We'll see. That is, suppose this is the case. Here fix, here hinge. Okay. Of course, this is HAB. This is HCD. This will be referenced as usual. Here, the leg length actually here will modify. The leg length will modify and make it fixed. This length is modified actually. It is H dash CD. Okay. Just increase the, change the length of CD. A, B, C. Let us assume it is D dash. Okay. It is H dash CD. Just to replace that hinge joint with fixed joint and changes to be adapted, or we need to change the length. How much we need to change, we will see in detail. Actually, it must be 1.5 times of original. That we will prove that. Okay. H dash CD equal to 1.5 times of HCD. How it will come and all we will see in detail. This is actually substitute frame. Substitute frame. Okay. From basics, if you see, for this original column, M double dash AB equal to M double dash BA equal to 6 EI delta by HAB square, right? And M here at D you cannot expect any movement. At C only movement will be there. That means M double dash CD will be 3 EI delta by HCD square actually. And for this M double dash DC equal to 0. You know this, right? That means that translational moments, actually the displacement moments, M double dash CD, M double dash DC. Suppose if you assume 6 A delta by L square, then by releasing at D, carryover will go to C and it becomes actually 3 A delta by L square. That's why these are the moments. So accordingly, we can write equations like this. Actually, sigma h equal to 0 equation, if you see, sigma h equal to 0 equation, Q plus HA is what? M double dash AB, or simply MAB plus MBA by HAB plus MCD plus MDC by HCD must be 0. But instead of this, we would like to take substitute frame. This is for original frame. For original frame. For substitute frame, it will be Q plus MAB plus MBA by HAB plus MCD plus MDC by H dash CD equal to 0 for substitute frame. Substitute frame.
So D dash తీసుకోరా
ఏమా
D dash
నోటేషన్ లోనమ్మా ఇక్కడ D dash ని పెట్టమంటారా
అంటే అక్కడ D dash అని ఇండికేట్ చేశారు
నో ప్రాబ్లం అది మనకు హైట్ కదా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనకు ఈ నోటేషన్ బాటమ్ నోటేషన్ ఏం పెద్ద మ్యాటర్ కాదు మనం ప్రతిసారి డాష్ పెట్టుకుంటూ ఉండడం వల్ల పెద్ద ఉపయోగం ఏం లేదు మనకు just keep it CD itself not a problem that one okay the height is where increasing that's all okay CD where changing the distance is changing point is not important for us okay so for substitute frame this is the equation but in both the equations actually in both the equations MAB if you see fixed end moment plus 2 times of near end rotation moment plus far end moment plus displacement moment right in both equations everything is same except displacement moment okay so if you see that one in original equation 2 times of M dash AB by HAB term plus M double dash CD term only will be there. This one, these two terms will be there. I mean, okay. If you have some any confusion, I mean some confusion means I will write everything. Otherwise, so Q plus MAB means here MFAB plus 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA plus M double dash AB. This is MAB, right? Plus MFBA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB plus M double dash AB whole divided by HAB plus MFCD plus 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC plus M double dash CD plus MFDC, of course it is 0, plus 2 times of M dash DC plus M dash CD. Here moment will be for hinged support, it will be 0. That means that's all, no displacement moment. Whole divided by HCD equal to 0. Okay, this is for original frame. For original frame, but for substitute frame if you observe it will be Q plus MFAB plus 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA plus M double dash AB plus MFBA plus 2 M dash BA plus M dash AB plus N double dash AB divided by HEAB plus MFCD plus 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC plus M double dash CD plus MFDC plus DC means that's only D dash C. Okay, according to Josna. Okay, MF D dash C plus 2 M dash D dash C plus 2 times of what is that? 2 times of M dash DC or D dash C plus M dash CD, of course, dash, okay, dash, plus because in substitute frame, fixed is there. That means M double dash DC also will be there. Of course, CD, DC both are same, okay. Whole divided by, in substitute frame it is H dash CD. H dash CD, okay. Or CD dash, okay, whatever. Equal to 0 for substitute frame. So clear kada? Just we are taking original frame like this, CD, HCD, and the moment is here, displacement moment is M double dash CD. In substitute frame column, this one, okay, this is original. In this M double dash CD dash will be there. Of course, here also moment is there, M double dash CD dash. Here the moment must be same. M double dash CD must be equal to M double dash CD dash. To maintain that, okay, to maintain that we are doing everything. So if we maintain that this gets cancelled, M double dash CD and M double dash CD dash, then MCD will be H dash CD by 2 into HCD. Now H dash CD, assume it is 1.5 times of HCD, substituting here 1.5 times of HCD, you will get 3 by 4. MCD value 3 by 4. దీంట్లో డౌట్ లేదు కదా ఎవరికి MCD 3 by 4 ఎలా వచ్చిందో అర్థమైంది కదా అది 1.5 టైమ్స్ మళ్ళీ ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం MCD ఎందుకు 3 by 4 వచ్చింది అనేది మీకు అర్థమైంది అన్నమాట సో మనం మూమెంట్ C దగ్గర మూమెంట్ సేమ్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా అంతే మూమెంట్ ఉండాలన్నమాట నితీష్ అర్థమైందా See in original frame what is M double dash CD 3EI delta by HAB square, right? In substitute frame what about M double dash CD dash as it is fixed 6
H square by CD square.
H square of CD dash, I mean H dash of, okay, H dash CD dash of square, but we are assuming both are same, we should maintain those things same, that means this I will write like this 3E
M double dash CD lo H CD kan H CD kan sir paina M double dash CD
CD correct CD HCD, okay 3EE by HCD multiplied by delta by HCD, okay, I am writing like that. That means what is 3A by L? Stiffness, it's stiffness, right? For and is hinged means what is the stiffness of that? Stiffness of that is rotational stiffness is 3A by L. L is here SCD, so which is equal to K into KAB, sorry KCD into delta by HCD, right? K means rotational stiffness 3A by L. Now this will be 6A, this one also I will write in this fashion 4EI by 4A by Sorry, I will write like this. 3EI delta by HCD okay. Okay, so I will before that I will do one thing. Let us assume H dash CD dash equal to something, that factor we don't know. Sometime I will take that factor as some x times of HCD. Then HCD is what? H dash CD is what? Okay, x times. Okay, that I will substitute here. I will write like this. 3EI by H dash CD. I'll write x times of HCD into delta by x times of HCD into 2. See 6 I am writing 2 into 3 EI delta HCD square is there. That's why x into HCD, x into HCD. Just I am assuming this one x. That x I need to find. Okay, that is nothing but 2 times of 3A by HCD is KCD. That stiffness. So delta by x into x square into HCD. Okay. Now both must be same. That means KCD delta by HCD must be equal to 2 KCD delta by x square into HCD. Okay, na? Something wrong. So I'll write like this: M double dash C dash equal to, what is that? 6EI delta by H dash CD square. This one I will write in this fashion: 3 by 2 into 4EI by H dash CD multiplied by 2 to 4 6 delta by H dash CD, that equal to 3 by 2 times of its stiffness K. Stiffness is what here? 4A by L, because forend is fixed. For substitute frame, stiffness is 4A by its height, right? So K CD dash, that is substitute frame's stiffness. I think it also won't work. Multiplied by delta by H dash CD. No. Now we will see here. Now if you apply in this equation, M double dash CD by HCD must be equal to MCD into 2 times of M double dash CD dash by H dash CD. Now substituting here, KCD delta by HCD by HCD must be equal to, this is 3 by 4 into 2 times of M double dash CD is 3 by 2 KCD dash into delta by H dash CD divided by H dash CD. 2 2s. Okay, now suppose both of these are same, this stiffness and this stiffness are same, assume both stiffnesses are same, then what is this, 1 by HCD square must be equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 1 by H dash CD square. So according to this, H dash CD square equal to 3 by, everywhere square you can get cancelled, squares gets cancelled, H dash CD equal to 3 by 2, that means 1.5 times of HCD. So here we need to understand one thing. K dash, I mean KCD dash, that means substitute frame stiffness must be equal to original frame stiffness. This we should keep in mind. This is very important here, okay? See, in substitute frame stiffness is what? 4A by H dash CD. 4A by H dash CD must be equal to original frame stiffness. In our derivation, the substitute frame leg length must be equal to 1.5 times of HCD will be possible only if you consider in substitute frame also stiffness we need to maintain same as original frame stiffness, okay? Original leg stiffness. This is the derivation actually. ఇక్కడ మీరు మన పెద్ద కష్టమే, మీరేమే ఇక్కడ పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండా చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా, M double dash CD అంటే 3A delta by L square అనేది అర్థమైంది కదా, ఎందుకంటే ఫారెన్ హింజ్డ్ కాబట్టి. M double dash CD 3A delta by L square ఫార్ములాలో ఉందన్నమాట. దాన్ని మనం ఏ ఫార్ములా తెచ్చామంటే 3A by HCD అనేది ఏంటి, స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఇంటూ డెల్టా బై HCD, ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ KCD డెల్టా బై HCD, అది ఫిక్స్ అనమాట. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ M double dash CD dash సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ లో డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ మూమెంట్ వచ్చేసి 6A డెల్టా బై L స్క్వేర్, L వచ్చి ఇక్కడ H డాష్ అనమాట. దట్ ఈస్ దీన్ని 3/2 ఇంటూ 4A బై H డాష్ అని రాశాను అనమాట. బికాస్ 4A బై H డాష్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్స్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ అనమాట, ఆ లెగ్ యొక్క స్టిఫ్నెస్. ఆ లెగ్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ అది 4A బై H డాష్ అనేది ఇంటూ డెల్టా బై H డాష్ CD, ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసాము, మనకు ఒరిజినల్ ఇది ఏదైతే ఉందో ఏంటిది, M double dash CD by HCD, okay, must be equal to MCD times of 2 times of M double dash CD dash by H dash CD. సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇక్కడ రాశాను, ఓకే. రాసిన తర్వాత దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం అనమాట. M double dash CD వచ్చి KCD డెల్టా బై HCD డివైడ్ బై HCD ఈక్వల్ టు MCD వచ్చి 3/4 ఈ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బై 2 ఇంటూ M double dash CD వచ్చి 3/2 times of KCD dash into delta by H dash CD divided by H dash CD. 2 2s పోతుంది ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్. సో 3/2 into 3/2 3/2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ KCD మస్ట్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు KC dash అయితేనే ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఒరిజినల్ ఇక్కడ మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ లో స్టిఫ్నెస్ ని మార్చడానికి వీలు లేదు, స్టిఫ్నెస్ ని మీరు ప్రత్యేకంగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి వీలు లేదనమాట. ఒరిజినల్ స్టిఫ్నెస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో KCD దాన్నే తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఆ 4A H dash CD ప్లేస్ లో స్టిఫ్నెస్ ప్లేస్ లో మీరు ఆ 3A బై HCD రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. అంటే ఈ రెండు సమానమని అనుకోవాలన్నమాట. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఈ మెథడాలజీ కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ తయారు చేసింది ఓన్లీ దేనికోసము, డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఏంటి ఇది మన డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కనుక్కోవడానికి మాత్రమే. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు మీరు గమనించండి, డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు CCD అనేది ఒకటి వస్తుంది కదా, CCD. సో CCD అనేది ఇప్పుడు మనము CC డాష్ అని తీసుకుంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రెఫరెన్స్ హైట్ డివైడ్ బై H డాష్ CD తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఇది CCD. మనం డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనుకునేటప్పుడు CCD అవసరం అవుతుంది మీకు. ఆ CCD ప్లేస్ లో CC డాష్ తీసుకుంటారు. బట్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కనిపెట్టేటప్పుడు K కూడా అవసరం అవుతుంది. K ని మాత్రము ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ కాకుండా ఒరిజినల్ తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫ్రేమ్ తీసుకోకూడదు, ఓకే. ఒరిజినల్ ఫ్రేమ్ ది తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఏది K వాల్యూ. క్లియర్ కదా? సో చేంజెస్ మీకు అర్థం అయిపోయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్ములా కూడా డిరైవ్ చేద్దాం. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పమా.
సార్ అది నాకు 10:30కి క్లాస్ ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే మా రికార్డ్ అయిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత వినమ్మా.
ఓకే
ఓకే
సార్.
చెప్పండి
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఎంసిడి ఇది మనం 3/4 ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా సార్ ప్రూఫ్ కోసము.
అవునవును 3/4 అవును.
కానీ ఆ 3/4 అనేది 1.5 హెచ్సిడిని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తేనే కదా వచ్చింది సార్.
ఆ తర్వాత 1.5 ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో నేను చూపించాను కదా.
అంటే ఈ ప్రూఫ్ లో మనం మళ్ళీ 3/4 నే వాడుకుంటున్నాం కదా సార్.
నువ్వు ఒకవేళ అట్లా లేకుండా ఈ ఎంసిడి కూడా అక్కడ పెడితే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఎవాల్వ్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే
అది నీకు అది ఇంకా ఐ మీన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, రెండు క్లబ్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ అట్లయినా ఎవాల్వ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట.
ఓకే
సో నౌ విల్ సి the displacement factor proof. Okay, displacement factor proof is like this. Now the sigma h equal to 0, we will start with this. Sigma h equal to 0, that is qh plus MAB plus MBA by HAB plus what else? MCD plus MDC, right? MDC by HCD must be 0. So if you write this equation, you will end up with like this: QH plus CAB into MAB plus MBA plus CCD into MCD plus MDC as previous. Okay, equal to 0. Now that equal to QH plus CAB. Of course, fixed moments are not there. Then 2 times of M dash AB plus what else? M dash BA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB. Okay. One more thing is there here that we forgot. Plus MAB into M double dash AB plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB plus MAB into M double dash BA or AB, both are same. Okay, this plus CCD into 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC plus MCD into M double dash CD plus, so M is multiplying here for displacement moment, okay, because of that hinge condition, plus DC means 2 times of M dash DC plus M dash CD plus MCD into M double dash CD. So here it is a substitute frame only. Okay, CD means here CD dash, okay, or substitute frame. Okay, equal to 0. Now QH plus, of course this will be 0 AB, where else? AB DC, right? DC also 0, DC DC, then CAB into What else? 3 times of, right? 3 times of M dash BA plus MAB into M double dash AB. 2 times, right? 2 times of. Similarly, plus CCD into 3 times of M dash CD plus 2 times of MCD into M double dash CD. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, I will simplify like this. QH plus 3 times of CAB into M dash BA plus CCD into M dash CD plus 2 times of MAB CAB into M double dash AB plus MCD CCD into M double dash CD equal to 0. Or now MAB CAB M double dash AB plus MCD CCD M double dash CD equal to minus 3 by 2 times of QH by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD M dash CD. Okay. Of course, it is a substitute frame. Okay. CD is substitute frame. Now here, you know, M double dash AB by M double dash CD, M double dash CD will be equal to in substitute frame. Otherwise, I will put D dash here, not a problem. D dash, okay, everywhere. This also C D dash, okay. C D dash, substitute frame. C D dash. Okay, that one, C D dash. Okay. C dash equal to, you know, as previous case, it is KAB into CAB. This already we have derived. K C dash into C D dash. Okay. Then from this we can write like this: MAB CAB M double dash AB by MCD CCD dash M double dash CCD dash equal to this will be equal to, so MC we are multiplying, that means MAB CAB square into KAB by, of course, KCD dash KCD same only. Okay, KCD because we are based on our assumption KCD dash is nothing but KCD only. KCD only. So MCD CCD dash square into KCD. Okay. Now based on this, MAB CAB M double dash AB equal to, I'll write in next page. MAB CAB into MAB CAB square KAB equal to MAB CAB square KAB by MAB CAB square KAB plus MCD CAB square KCD multiplied by what is MAB CAB square KAB? It is exactly equal to minus 3/2 times of that. Okay, minus 3/2 times of QH by 3 plus CAB into M dash BA plus CCD dash multiplied by M dash CD. Okay, so here MAB will gets cancelled. What is that? Sorry, here not KAB. Something missed. MAB CAB M double dash AB. I'll write here MAB CAB M double dash AB. Okay. M double dash AB equal to, okay, MAB CAB square KAB by this one. Okay, y means this one we need to split actually. M double dash AB, yeah, M double dash AB CAB square. See, from this I will write one more thing. MAB CAB M double dash AB by sigma of MAB CAB M double dash AB equal to MAB CAB square KAB by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB, right? So this one, from this MAB CAB M double dash AB equal to MAB CAB square KAB by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB multiplied by this one sigma of MAB CAB M double dash AB. What is that sigma? This one. This is sigma of MAB CAB M double dash AB, which is equal to this minus 3/2. Just that one we substitute here in next page. See here. See, the substituted value is this one. MAB CAB M double dash AB equal to, just you follow from this step, previous step. So I think from here you observe once again. M double dash AB by M double dash CD equal to what? KAB CAB by KCD CCD. Okay, that is equal to, I mean based on that, MAB CAB just we are multiplying to this here before that. By multiplying it becomes MAB CAB square KAB divided by that. Okay, so from this step component or dividend rule. Okay, MAB CAB M double dash AB by sigma of that equal to MAB CAB square KAB by sigma of that. That means this one, if you take aside MAB CAB M double dash AB, this factor multiplied by this sigma of this. Sigma of this is nothing but this one. Okay, this one. Okay, just you substitute here this value, that you will get like this. Okay, now here MAB MAB gets cancelled, CAB and square gets cancelled. So M double dash AB is now M double dash AB equal to CAB KAB by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB into minus 3 by 2 QH by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD dash M dash CD. Okay, this is nothing but displacement factor. Okay, similarly you can write other one also, CD also. M double dash CD equal to CCD dash into KAB by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB into minus 3 by 2 into QH by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CD dash M dash CD. Okay, like this. That means here displacement factor is, finally you can write like this: M dash AB equal to displacement factor multiplied by QH by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD dash M dash CD. Okay, and M double dash CD equal to displacement factor. This is AB's displacement factor. This is the CD's displacement factor. QH by 3 plus CAB M dash BA plus CCD dash M dash CD, where displacement factor of AB is nothing but CAB into KAB by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB. Sigma means that floors all values, okay, into minus 3 by 2. Similarly, DFCD equal to CCD KCD by sigma of MAB CAB square KAB multiplied by minus 3 by 2. These are displacement factors. So only the change is here, small m we need to point, that means 3 by 4 we need to multiply, and CCD calculation H dash we need to consider. Remaining everything is same. Okay, మీకు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అర్థమైనాయి కదా ఎలా వచ్చినాయి అనేది? ఎక్కడైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. సో నోట్ డౌన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. Fixed hinged. Four meters 2I, 4 meters I, 10 kilonewton, 27 kilonewton, 2 meter, 1 meter. Kilonewtons, okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now changes. H dash CD is how much? 1.5 times of 4, that equal to 6 meters. Okay. What is MCD? 3 by 4, 0.75. These are the changes. Okay. Remaining same. MAB how much? 1 only. Okay. So now we'll start. Stiffnesses will calculate. Joint B members BA BC, joint C CB CD. Stiffness calculation. In stiffness calculation, don't change anything. Height and all, it should be same. BA 4 times of 2EA by 4. BC 4 EI by 3. CB 4 EI by 3. CD stiffness
3A.
3A by 4. 3A by 4. So for stiffness calculation, don't change anything. Okay, that you keep in mind. So then sigma k, how much here? 2 plus
3 by 5. 3 by
huh?
10 by 3.
10 by 3. Yeah. Okay, then what else? 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Emma?
25 by 12.
Distribution factor
3 by 5, 2 by 5.
3 by 5. Huh? 2 by 5. Here
16 by 25.
16 by 25.
9 by 20.
Rotation factor minus 3 by 10
10 minus 1 by 5.
minus 1 by 5
Minus
8 by
8 by 25. Minus 9 by 50.
These are the rotation factors. Now displacement factors calculation, it's very crucial. Be careful while calculating that one. Story 1, that is member AB member, CD member, 2 members are there. In this calculation, K stiffness, AB stiffness is how much? 8A by
4. 8A by 4.
8A by K, 4 times of 2A by 4. CD 3A by 4.
4.
Don't change that one. Okay. K calculation. K calculation don't change. But after calculating K, what about C value? C value H by
4
H
by-
right? 4 by 4.
4 by 4.
1. But CD, it's a substitute frame. Actually, we need to take
4 by 6.
how much? 6. That we need to very careful. Okay.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. CD calculation must be, C calculation must be very careful. M value, it is 1 for this, 3 by 4 for this. M. Wherever hinge end is there, M value should be taken as 3 by 4. In C calculation, substitute frame length should be taken. Okay. These two changes we need to adopt. Okay. Then what else in our formula? What is there? Displacement. This one. CK is there. Okay. CK or KC. C into K value. C into K. 2.
2.
EA.
9 by 16.
9 by CK.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. CK. After that, one more we need to calculate. After CK, see here, MC square K. MC square K. MC square K. That is 2A, yeah?
2.
Okay. MC square K. 3 by 4. C square means 4 by 9 into 3 by 4. How much? 3 by 4.
1 by 4.
C square 4 by 9
By 9.
3
Into
by
3 by. 1
1
by 4.
4 cancel 9 1 by 4. What is this? Sigma MC square K.
9 by 4.
9 by 4 A. Now we need to calculate minus 3 by 2 times of CK by sigma MC square K. That equal to, for this, minus 3 by 2 times of CK 2 by here 9 by 4.
Minus 4 by 3.
2 to cancel 8 by 9.
Minus 4 by 3.
12 by
Minus 4 by 3.
4 by 3 minus 4 by 3.
Hmm.
Okay, done. Next, minus 3 by 2 times of ck 1 by 2 by 9 by 4.
3 1 by 3
1 by 3 minus 1 by 3.
minus 1 by 3.
These are the displacement factors. Very important. Okay. So remaining process same. Just all these derivations are required only to understand why this mc square k, ck, all these things. What are the changes needs to be adopted? Why we should take say original k only? Why not we take substitute frame k? All these things we should keep in mind. Okay. Now we will do the process. Fixed moments are minus 6 plus 12. Okay, check change sir previously. Right, minus 6 plus 12, right?
Sir, minus 6 plus 12.
Okay. These factors are rotation factors are minus 3 by 10 BA, BC, minus 1 by 5, that is minus 0.3. Right, minus 0.3, minus 0.2, minus 8 by 25, minus 9 by 50. Otherwise, tell me the fraction, I mean decimal values. 8 by 25 means 0.32 na? 0.032 na?
0.32.
Minus 0.32. And this one? 1.8 minus
1.8.
1.8. Displacement factors.
Correct.
Minus 4 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3. Displacement factors. Okay. Okay, now we will check. Start the process. 7.51.
5.1.
Okay, then
4.05. Minus 4.05.
okay, then
2.282.
minus 2.8. Just again displacement moment. That is story moment is 40 by 3 plus C value 1 into 11.26 plus C value 2 by 3 into minus 2.28 into displacement factor is minus 4 by 3 equal to
78.
how much?
Minus 26.78.
Minus 26.78. If this factor is minus 1 by 3, then this would be
6.69. Minus 6.69.
69 minus 6.69. Next cycle.
Cross check చేస్తే
Next cycle is minus 6 forward moment minus 4.05, displacement moment minus 26.78, 78 multiplied by minus 0.3.
11.04.
11.04. If it is minus 0.2, then
7.36. 7.36. 36.
36. Done. Next. Next value 12 plus 7.36. Displacement moment minus 6.69.
4.05.
4.05.
05. Minus 4.05.
Then this must be minus 2.28. Then this displacement 40 by 3 plus 1 into 11.04 plus 2 by 3 into minus 2.28 into minus 4 by 3.
26.49.
And minus 6.62.
62.
Last cycle we will do. One more cycle. Minus 6 minus 4.05 plus 26 minus 26.49 into minus 0.3.
10.96, sir.
10.96. Okay. 7.30.
30.
This one minus 4 point. $12.
05, sir.
Same, huh?
Same.
Okay, this also same. Then last one.
2.28 same.
40 by 3 plus 1 into 10.96 plus 2 by 3 into minus 2.28 into minus 4 by 3.
26.38.
Here
6.59.
okay, we'll leave it there. Now we'll see the final values. MAB equal to MAB equal to okay. Near end moment, fixed moment is not there, near end moment is not there, far end moment. That is 10.96 and displacement moment minus 26.38, which is equal to
15.40 minus 15.42.
4.
2.
Okay. MBA equal to 2 times of 10.96 minus 26.38.
4.46. Minus
Yes. MBC minus 6 plus 2 into 7.3 minus 4.05.
4.55.
4.55. Small.
Double 5.
Okay, small difference is there. CB 12 plus 2 into minus 4.05 plus 7.3.
Minus 11.2 plus 11.2.
Plus 11.2. MBC 2 times of minus 2.28 for end moment 2 times and displacement moment 6.59.
11.15.
Minus 1.15. Of course, MTC will be 0. We know that because of hinge. Okay. These are the values we need to get. Okay. So here anti-clockwise 15.42, anti-clockwise 4.42, clockwise around 4.55.
Clockwise 11.12.
No, clockwise 11.12, anti-clockwise 11.15. So let us check the correctness of this one.
Sir, mobile switch off అవుతుంది. I'm leaving.
Otherwise, we will do fresh one. 4, 3, 4. Okay. Close. General support. Create. Create. Pinned. Next property. Define point 2, point 1. Add then point 2, point 2. Add point 2, point 2, 2 times of this for this. Then for this 1 time. Assign. Then loads. Yes. Load items. Number load. Nodal load. Nodal load is 10 kilonewtons. Add member load. Constant force minus 27 up to 2 meters. Add for this node, node cursor. For this node, assign this number. Beam cursor is assign to selected range. Assign. Okay. And analysis. Add closing values. Scales. how much moment we got? What here? At here moment how much?
ట్వంటీ వచ్చింది సార్.
20 వచ్చిందా? 15.42 వచ్చిందా? ఇక్కడేమో 20 వచ్చింది. Seven 12.6.
నాకు 20 7.16 వచ్చాయి
నీకు వేరే వచ్చాయా?
సార్.
అదేంటది ఒకరికొకరు రావడం ఏంటి?
నేను క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేశాను సార్. నేను మొత్తం
నువ్వు ఫాలో అవ్వలేదు ఇది చెప్పేటప్పుడు? మరి
చెప్పేటప్పుడే చేశాను సార్ నేను.
మరి తప్పున్నాయంట వాళ్ళు లెక్కలే ఈ వాల్యూస్ తప్పులా?
అవి నాకు ఇక్కడ M-BA లాస్ట్ లో 12.84 వచ్చింది సార్.
డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ M-AB
-32.84.
ఫస్ట్ నుండి వాల్యూస్ చెప్తారా?
సార్ M-BA
ఫస్ట్ 1.8 కదా
సార్. 1.8 8.49
1.8 1.2 వచ్చిందా
సార్.
రైట్ సైడ్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? -4.24 రాలేదా?
-4.224
4.224
సార్.
ఆ తర్వాత
-2.376.
ఓకే 38. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ సైకిల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ చెప్పు.
-18.06 -4.52.
ఓకే ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ సైకిల్ సెకండ్ సైకిల్
8.49
8.49
సార్.
ఓకే తర్వాత
7.44
ఇది 7.44
5.66 సార్ అది.
ఓకే తర్వాత
-4.20
తర్వాత
-2.365.
ఫైనల్ వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది? MAB ఐ మీన్ ఈ 10.96 ప్లస్ ఎంత వచ్చింది నీకు?
12.84 సార్.
12.84. మరి డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ మూమెంట్ ఇది
-32.84.
-32 వచ్చిందా?
మొత్తం 7 సైకిల్స్ చేశాను సార్ నేను.
7 సైకిల్ 32 ఎలా వచ్చింది నీకు? 32 బ్రేకప్ ఏంటి నీకు అసలు చెప్పు.
సార్ అక్కడ సెకండ్ 26.78 దగ్గరనే మార్చాం సార్. 30
ఏమా
points and
first is 1.8 right, then 1.2, then here -12 plus 1.2 into -0.32. How much?
-4.224 sir.
-4.224. And if it is -0.18,
-2.376.
Then displacement factors 40/3 is the story moment by 3 plus 1 into 1.8 plus 2/3 multiplied by -2.376 multiplied by -4/3 equal to
minus 18.06.
Minus 18.06. Minus 18.06. And here, if it is minus 1 by 3,
minus 4.52.
4.52 now. Okay. 4.52. Done. Next cycle. Next cycle, minus 6, minus 4.224, minus 18.06 multiplied by minus 0.3 equal to
8.49.
If it is 0.2,
5.66.
6. Okay, done. Next, 12 plus 5.66 and displacement moment minus 4.52 multiplied by minus 0.32.
Minus 4.20.
If it is minus 0.18,
minus 2.365.
done. Next, displacement. 40 by 3 plus 1 into 8.49 plus 2 by 3. C value we need to multiply. 2 by 3 into minus 2.365 multiplied by minus 4 by 3.
Minus 26.99.
Minus
minus 6.75.
6.75. Okay, then next cycle. Next cycle is
11.16.
here 11.16.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
7.44.
7 point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here
minus 4.06.
then
minus 2.28.
Here then
minus 30.63.
here
minus 7.66.
Next
12.21. 8.14. minus 3.99. minus 2.25.
Okay, next
minus 32.06. minus 8.01.
next
12.62. 8.41. minus 3.97. minus 2.23. minus 32.62. minus 8.16.
next
12.78. 8.52. minus 3.96. minus 2.22. minus 32.84. minus 8.21.
next
12.84. 8.56. minus 3.95. minus 2.22.
next
అంతే సార్ అక్కడ వరకు చేసాం.
ఓకే, ఇది ఇంకొకసారి తక్కువ ఉంది కదా. 40 by 3 plus 1 into 12.84 plus 2 by 3 into minus 2.22 into minus 4 by 3.
minus 32.92.
2.92.
2.92.
And another one, this one
minus 8.23.
Now it is 12.84. 12.84 minus 32.92 equal to
Minus 20.08.
20.08. Okay, then 2 times of 12.84 minus 32.92.
Minus 7.24.
7.24. This one minus 6 plus 2 into 8.56 minus 3.95.
7.17.
Hmm. 12 plus 2 into minus 3.95 plus 8.56.
12.66.
Huh?
12.66.
12.66. Then it is 2 into minus 2.22 minus 8.23.
Minus 12.67.
12.67. This one is minus 2.22 minus 8.23.
Minus 8.45. 10.45.
10.45. Now we'll see that.
సార్ ఇది ఎంసిడి.
Okay. 12.6 ఉంది. Okay. 12.6, 12.6, 7.18, 20.2. These are the values, right? Match అవుతున్నాయి. MDC, MCD, I think. MCD. MDC anyway 0. సో మ్యాచ్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా మనకు వాల్యూస్. ఇంతకు ముందు తప్పు చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేశారు అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏమైనా ఫ్యాక్టర్ మల్టిప్లై చేయడం మర్చిపోయారా ఏంటది? ఎందుకు అలా వచ్చింది? 26 వరకు వచ్చి ఆగిపోయింది. ఎవరు చెప్పింది?
కిరణ్ సార్.
కిరణ్ ఎక్కడ పోయింది అది ఇంతకు ముందు?
మధ్యలో ఎక్కడో ఒక వాల్యూ పోయి ఉంటుంది సార్.
యాక్చువల్గా ఒక వాల్యూ పోతే మనకు మళ్ళీ రెక్టిఫై అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇది
అందుకే ఎమ్మటే క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసి చెప్తే అయిపోయింది సార్ మొత్తం.
నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే ఎక్కడైనా ఒక చోట మిస్టేక్ పోయినంత మాత్రాన ఇది సీరియస్ కాదు. మూమెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎట్లంటే ఒక చోట పోతే మొత్తం పోతుంది అనమాట. ఇది ఎలా కాదనమాట, మళ్ళీ రెక్టిఫై అయిపోతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా. అదే రెక్టిఫై అయిపోతుంది. ఎక్కడైనా మిస్టేక్ అయినా కూడా మళ్ళీ రెక్టిఫై అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ స్టెబిలైజ్ అయిపోతుంది అనమాట వాల్యూస్. అలా ఎందుకు కాలేదు అసలు? అంటే మీరు ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేశారంటే అర్థమైంది ఎక్కడైనా?
సార్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ దగ్గర అక్కడ నుంచి పోయింది సార్. మైనస్ 18.13 చెప్పారు.
డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ లో సి మల్టిప్లై చేయడం మర్చిపోయారా?
డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ దగ్గర పెట్టండి. 26 కా నుంచి డౌన్ అయింది సార్. ఇక్కడ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కదా.
అది దానికి రీజన్ ఏమైనా కనిపెట్టారా?
అంటే ఈ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాడ పోయి ఉంటుంది. 4/3 దగ్గర 4 వేయడం.
సి ఏం మర్చిపోలే కదా మీరు? సి మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోండి. 2/3 ని కానీ 1 కానీ మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోలే కదా?
మల్టిప్లై చేసాను క్యాల్సిలో కొట్టేటప్పుడు తప్పు పోయి ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, మేబీ నువ్వు ఈ మైనస్ ఈ సిడి వాల్యూస్ బదులు సిబి వాల్యూస్ వేసేసావేమో కదా? సిడి వాల్యూస్ వేయడం వల్ల కూడా అలా జరిగి ఉండొచ్చేమో.
yes sir.
నువ్వు అడిగిన డౌట్ ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది అనమాట. సపోజ్ if frame is like this, what to do? Something like this. 10 kilonewton, 2 meter, 1 meter, like this. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, where and all we get changes, okay? That we'll see. Here the changes are, see, in place of actually, MAB MBA and this 10 kilonewtons, right? 2 meters. Okay, and of course, while writing here, actually these are suppose this is Q. This is okay. Sorry. Q equal to this much. Let us assume this is something some L. This height is HAB, and right side also is there. MDC, MCD, something like this, right? Here, our formulation, what happens? Sigma H equal to 0. These are internal forces, these are reactions, right? HA, HD. So now, HA Q into L, sorry, Q plus HA plus HD must be 0, right? Now in this, Q plus MAB plus MBA by HAB, let us assume it is HCD, plus MCD plus MTC by HCD must be 0, right? That means next step, Q plus, just multiply with HR, then CAB into MAB plus MBA plus CCD into MCD plus MDC equal to 0. Now HR into Q plus reference height HR, okay, CAB into here MF AB also will be there, plus remaining things, okay, remaining things 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA plus M double dash AB and all, okay. Similarly, plus CCD multiplied by, I mean, of course, MBA, this one also, plus MF BA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB plus M double dash BA plus CCD multiplied by, of course, if we have some loads here also on CD also, of course, present it is not there, let us not take that one, okay. Now 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC plus M double dash CD plus 2 times of M dash DC plus 2 times M dash CD plus M double dash DC. Okay. Now here change is only 2 things were newly appearing here. This thing and this thing, friction moments, right? Take those friction moments to left side, okay. That is HRQ plus CAB into MFAB plus CAB into MFBA plus this entire thing is same as before previous. Okay, now what happens? I'll write here HR into Q plus, of course CAB is here one only, HR is let us assume it is HR, it is one only. That means here MFAB plus MFBA reference I have multiplied, right? 1 second, I will explain. Okay. In place of previous one only QHR. In place of QHR, we need to get this, or otherwise dividing with HR. Q plus MFAB by MFAB plus by HR, or MFAB plus MFBA by HR. Okay. By HR. Dividing with the HR Q. So in place of Q, we need to take this. In previous, this was there, now we need to consider this. Present, okay? Q plus, in place of Q, we need to take Q plus MFAB plus MFBA by HR. Anything else? I think moment. In place of QHR, we need to take MFAB, MFBA, and Q. QHR by HR. Some of the horizontal moments. HA plus HT, HA will be MAB plus MBA by HAB. That is correct. Now CAB, HR into Q equal to CAB into MAB plus MBA. That's correct. MFAB is there. It's an moment. Here also it's an moment that we have taken out. Fixed moments. Into 3 plus QHR. Right. In place of QHR. Q into 2. Clockwise moment. 1 second. Otherwise, we'll do one thing. So the difference between previous and present case is like this. In previous case, it was like this Q and this was H. Now present case, Q is acting here and let us assume it is L. So the new changes because of previous Q, there were no fixed moments, but now fixed moments also coming here, like this and like this. Otherwise, I will put like this only. I mean, like this. That is MFAB additionally it is coming. MFBA additionally it is coming. So how to relate this both? I mean, this is previous case. This is present case. Where to correlate means wherever, see in previous case story moment is QH. Now story moment is Q into L plus MFAB plus MFBA. This is the only change, okay? In previous case, wherever QH was there, now QL into QL plus fixed moment, some of the fixed moments, okay? And in MAB calculation, we need to consider MFAB also plus, of course, 2 times of M dash. Anyway, it is fixed. You cannot expect any near end rotation. So M dash BA plus M double dash AB, and MBA calculation you will get MFBA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB. Okay, these are the changes. That means here QH by, in place of QH by 3, what you will get? QL plus MFAB plus MFBA by 3, and in place of MAB, this MFAB additionally it is coming, and in place of MBA calculation, MFBA additionally it is coming. Okay. Karthik, clear kada?
Yes, sir.
I will give you an example also. Let us take it is 4 meter. Otherwise, 30 kilonewton, 27 kilonewton, 2 meter, 1 meter. This is 1 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 2I. This is 4 meter. I. A, B, C, D. So here, you see this. Already we have done this. So directly we can go for iterations. So from previous, you tell me fixed moments here, -6 and 12, right? And here fixed moment, -5.625 on the column leg, okay? Here 16.875. Is it okay? Fixed moments? Check it. 30 into 3 into 1 square by 3 square. Okay, na? Sum is here 10.875. Here it is 12. So you are getting fixed moments on AB leg also. And distribution factors, rotation factors are -0.3 here, -0.2 here. Based on previous problem, it is -2/7 and -3/14, right? Correct only? And these displacement factors, is it okay? -1 and -half. I think we have done this problem earlier. Displacement factors, okay na? -1 half, -half. ఎవరైనా చెక్ చేయండి, ప్రీవియస్ నోట్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా మీ దగ్గర.
-4/3 -1/3.
ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? 4 meters హారిజాంటల్ 3 meters వర్టికల్ 4 meters. చూడండి ఒకసారి, నిన్న మార్నింగ్ చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి ఒకసారి. And it is 2i left side.
Yes sir, -1 -1/2.
-1 -1/2, correct కదా?
Yes sir.
Now this one central value, this one here we have some central value, right? This one earlier it was 40/3, now it is 30 into 3 meter, 30 into 3 meter plus 16.875 minus 5.625 by 3, which is equal to how much?
33.75.
33.75. Okay, that is 33.75. Now you understood what are the changes we need to do. Okay, the 30 into 3 as well as, this is 3 meters, right? 30 into 3 as well as sum of the fixed moments, that is the story moment, divided by 3. That divided by 3 is fixed one. Okay, that value, that 3 is fixed. Okay, so now you can carry iterations. Here we will have m dash BA, m dash BC, m dash CB, here m dash CD, and displacement m double dash AB, here m double dash CD. Now you tell me, this one is -3 point, check it, -3.262, -2.175, -2.807, cross check it once, -2.105, displacement -28.38, -14.19. This is the first cycle, okay na? Similarly, if you do, the last cycle is 9.68. This last cycle value is 6.45. This last cycle value is 1.05. This last cycle value is -0.78. This last cycle value is -44.2. This the last cycle value is -22.1. Check it once, okay? Then these final moments are like this. MAB anti-clockwise 40.15, anti-clockwise 7.96, clockwise 7.96, 20.55 clockwise, anti-clockwise 20.54, anti-clockwise 21.53. Okay, these are the values. Cross check చేయండి ఒకసారి, మనం ఒకసారి స్టార్ట్ లో చెక్ చేద్దాం. Problem same, I think, except the change of load position. Geometry general property, two properties are there. Okay, lengths are 4 meter, four meter, 3 meter. Loads are like this. Labels, loads. Okay. We need to change that load. Well, loads. Then we need to delete. Load, new. Load items, number load, constant force. That is minus 30 at 3 meters. Add force 3 meters to this. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Sorry, direction is wrong. Direction is GX. Change. Now direction is okay. Now we will analyze. Done. Post crossing. Beam. Graphs. See this. How much we got? 55.55 is there. Anything wrong? I think that is 3 meters. Okay. Load is at 2 meters. Oh, hinge condition. Both side fixed. Yeah.
Fixed.
Support condition we need to change. Yeah. Yeah, 40.3 matched. Okay, 40.15. 7.91, 7.96. Okay. Here 7.91, 20.5. Ours 7.96, 20.55. Okay. Here 20.5, 20.54. 21.3, 21.5. Okay. Almost matched. Okay. Karthik, clear? Karthik? Karthik వెళ్ళిపోయాడా? శ్రీనివాస్ లోడ్ మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి అర్థమైపోయింది కదా చేంజ్ అనేది నీకు ఆ స్టోరీ మూమెంట్ అనేది 30 into 3 ప్లస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. మిగతా మనం ఎంఏబి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ లో ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్ కూడా వాడాలి. ఎంఏబి ఎంబీఏ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ లో రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంటే కూడా అంతే అనమాట. అదే లాజిక్కే. ఇప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ సపోజ్ 20 ఉందనుకో, 20 2 meters లో ఉందనుకో -20 into 2 వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఆ ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్ కూడా తీసుకుంటారు అనమాట. ఓకేనా, క్లియర్ కదా? ఓకే ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను మీకు ఇది ఇస్తాను బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ ఇది హోంవర్క్ రాసుకోండి హోంవర్క్ రాసుకోండి ఫ్రేమ్స్ ఓకే ఫైవ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి ఫిక్స్ హింజ్ hinge and hinge, fix and hinge, 20 kilonewton, 2 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 12 kilonewton per meter. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5 problems. ఈ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వర్కౌట్ చేయండి డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడుగుతూ ఉండండి నోట్ చేస్తున్నారా
ఓకే సార్
ఓకే ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నా